Question. P.S. Square root of 27 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 75 equals what? Solution. Let us talk about the first property of square root and cubed root. To multiply the nth root of two numbers, we multiply the two numbers and then take the nth root of the product. So, square root of a times square root of b equals square root of a times b equals square root of a times b. Let us talk about the fourth property of square root and cubed root. This property is also known as the distributive property. If two roots are in the form of a product of a root and a real coefficient, then the addition or subtraction of the roots is the product of the root and the sum or difference of the coefficients. So, a times the square root of b plus c times the square root of b equals a plus c whole times the square root of b, where b is greater than or equal to 0. Also, a times the cubed root of b plus c times the cubed root of b equals a plus c whole times the cubed root of b. Let us talk about the sixth property of square root and cubed root. An even exponent under the same even root will result in an absolute value of the number, while an odd power under the same odd root will result in the number itself. So, square root of a squared times b equals modulus a times square root of b, and cube root of a cubed times b equals a times cube root of b. We are required to select the option that is equal to square root of 27 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 75. Square root of 27 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 75 equals square root of 3 squared times 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 5 squared times 3 equals square root of 3 squared times square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 5 squared times square root of 3 equals modulus 3 times square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus modulus of 5 times square root of 3 equals 3 times square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus 5 times square root of 3 equals 3 plus 1 plus 5 whole times square root of 3 equals 9 times square root of 3. Therefore, the term square root of 27 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 75 is equal to 9 times the square root of 3. Thus, E is the correct answer. Answer E.